Hello, this video provides a summary of the Guelph housing market stats for the month of October 2021. With the number of active listings at its lowest point since January, it's clear that critically low inventory levels are continuing to drive market prices up. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics relative to October of 2020. Median sales price was $800,000, which is up by 30.1%. Average sale price per square foot was $495, which is up by 20.1%. The total number of listings was 236, which is down by 14.8%, and the total number of sales was 221, which is down by 20.5%. October sales prices were on the rise from September in nearly every segment of the market throughout the region. Guelph's median sales price landed at $800,000, an almost 9% increase month over month, and an incredible 30% increase relative to October of 2020. The number of new listings to the Guelph market decreased 8.9% from September to October, while the number of home sales saw a 3.3% increase. This correlation of increased demand, decreased supply, and rising prices has been well documented in our local market over the past few years. With the sales to new listing ratio being above 80%, we're considered to be in a very hot seller's market right now. Buyers are feeling the heat with incredibly fierce competition, and sellers are reaping the rewards resulting from this competitive market. If you're considering buying or selling in this market, it's important to have a trusted professional helping you out. Please feel free to reach out to me at any time. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.